morning everyone. My name is Ishit. I am studying in 7th. Today's topic is food and components. In the previous class we have learned that we eat many kinds of food items like biryani, pulihora, idli, chapati, dal, etc. And you also learned how to cook some kinds of food, making them tasty and palatable by oil adding Sugandha Dravyalu, condiments, etc. Everyone have their own favorite food. What is your favorite food or dish? Why do you like it? Is only favorite food sufficient for you? Why? Why? What food do you eat every day? Think why do you eat it? We eat different types of food items. Make a group with 5 or 6 students and make a list of some day-to-day activities and food items we eat. Display your changes report in discuss card. Discuss in groups with your teacher about the relationship between eating food and performing activities. Food supplies the energy we need to do many tasks in our day-to-day life. Do you need energy when we sleep? Why? Why not? Do you know that even while we are sleeping, breath and circulation of your blood in your body goes on? So, do you agree that we need energy even while sleeping? Can you add some more activities performed by the body during sleep? Read the following and discuss with your friends. Suppose you don't get food for lunch. How do you feel? If you don't get anything for more than one day, how do you feel? If you don't get food for many days, what will happen to you? Why should we take food? What are the components in it? Let us find out what components are present in our food. Listing out food components. Observe the given packet and list out the food components present in it. In table 1, put a tick mark if you find the listed food components present in the food items. Collect some other food packets as well as like those of chips, coffee, biscuits, etc. and identify the different components present in them and then record in the table given. Mineral. What are the components found in biscuits? What components are most common in your list? Do you find any vitamins and minerals in them? What are they? Where do you write salt and sugar? Why? Are there any food items with some similar components? What are the essential components of food? Our food consists of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Besides these, water and fibers are also present. There are the essential components of our body, of our food and body we eat, call them nutrients. In activity 1, you prepare food items list. Which of them have carbohydrates, which of them have proteins, which of them have vitamins and minerals. The components present in the food substances can be tested easily through simple experiments. Confirmation of presence of food. Collect different types of food materials like milk, a potato, little quantity of oil, ghee. Test them according to the instructions given below. For this you will need test tube, stand, plate and dropper. You would also need some chemicals as given in each section of testing. Take a sample of each food item in the test tube or plate. Prepare the chemicals needed. Test the sample with them. Do note your observations in your notebook. Test for starch. Preparation of dilute iodine solution. Take test tube or cup. Add few drops of iodine crystals to it. Then dilute it till it becomes light yellow or brown. Take a sample of food items in test tube. Add a few drops of dilute iodine solution to the sample. Observe the color change. Do you find if the color turns dark blue or black, it contains starch. Try with ripened banana and curry banana. Test for fats. Take a small quantity of each sample. Rub it gently on a piece of paper. On the piece of paper, if the paper turns translucent, the substance contains fat. Recall your past experience when you have eaten vada or other food items on a paper plate. You might have noticed paper plate turning translucent. Why did the paper plate translucent? Why did the paper plate turn translucent? The reason of this is the presence of fats in food. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.